Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Zendesk for ticket automation from no-code apps, detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by visiting the Zendesk official website. Click on the sign up button located on the home page. Fill out the required fields in the registration form. Provide your email address, name, and a password. Select the type of account that best suits your needs. If you're unsure, choose the trial option for a full-featured experience. After filling out the form, click on Create Account. Check your email for a confirmation link from Zendesk. Open the email and click on the confirmation link to verify your account. Once verified, return to the Zendesk website and log in. Familiarize yourself with the dashboard, where you'll find various settings. To enable ticket automation, navigate to the admin panel in the sidebar. Under Business Rules, locate and select Triggers. Here, you can create rules that automate ticket responses. To set up your first trigger, click on the Add Trigger button. Name your trigger something descriptive, like auto response for new tickets. Choose a condition for the trigger, such as ticket is created. Review your trigger settings to ensure everything is correct. Once satisfied, click Save. Now that your trigger is created, it will automatically respond to new tickets. To integrate no-code apps, go back to the admin panel. Select Apps from the menu options. Search for the no-code app you want to integrate with Zendesk. Click on the app and follow the installation instructions provided. Once the app is installed, configure it according to your needs. Make sure to grant necessary permissions for proper functionality. Test the integration to ensure your ticket automation is working as expected. Finally, monitor your ticket responses to refine your triggers over time. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.